Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. Let's see who these are from. Kind of a poofy bag. Oh, we got stamped cross stitches. Alright, we have two of them. So, let's see. These are from BiggestCraft, and we'll just start with the top. So this one is a 60 by 45, and it does have the product number right here. So let's flip it over and get it out of its bag, maybe. Oh, no. Hold that thought. Put the baggie over there and get out the picture. This one was $12.99. Does have a nice paper pattern here. Isn't that a beautiful picture? And it's kind of made like the stained glass window things. So we'll see how that goes. Does have product number, how big it is. It's 234 by 169. We open it up. Big, huge, ginormous pattern here. Does have, you know, how to start, how to finish it. Whoa, attached to it. But the paper pattern is huge. Paper pattern in this on this canvas will match the canvas. It has 47 colors. And it looks like it should be very easy. Now it does have a little extra stamping. I'm going to bring that in so you can see right there. But I'm not seeing that the pattern itself is messed up or anything. So that's a good thing. This has 310 black, 550 purple, 666 red. No, 823. It does have some 939. No, 3371. And it does have 3865 in it. But yes, it is just gorgeous. We get you back. There we go. Now we can see everything. But see how things are in rivers and bigger areas. So this should not be too hard to stitch at all. I mean, I'm not seeing a whole lot of confetti. Maybe I'll see it better, you know, on the canvas. But we'll take a gander here in a minute. Whoa, everything's slipping and sliding today. Hang in there. All right, so does come with a toolkit. We have the little deer. You can hold it really still. 5 needles, poop ball, thimble, and needle threader. Set that aside. Let's take a look at the beautiful colors. Did I say 47 colors? My goodness. We have a couple hanks here. Get rid of that. Just less crinkle. So we have a hank of 310 black, and it's probably 154, which is the mulberry. So very nice. But look at all these bright, vivid, jewel tone looking colors. That's what got me. Oh, hang on. We're going to have to give it a shake, because there's a lot of thread here. And if it's not in the hank, it's all on here. But look at the blues and the teals and yellows. We have like a medium salmon color and a light yellow. But look at those. Oh, can you ever? Wait till you see this one. This one's even more stupendous. Just gorgeous. Look. Gorgeous, 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 gorgeousness. Let me flip it. Purples, reds, greens, teal, turquoise, bright yellow, pink. Just, oh my goodness. Where to begin? Oh, gorgeous. And that is a lot of thread. That is a rope of thread. we are going to put them right there. Put that, whoops, up there. Oh, stay please. Everybody stay. Okay, the canvas is serged all the way around, and what did I do with my silly scissors? Get them out of the way. Let's take a gander at the canvas. Very nicely printed, nice and dark. Very easy to read symbols since it is an 11 count. Now the serging, they about cut that right off there. I don't understand. But product number, how big it is, and how many squares per squares up at the top. So it's going to be wide. But just absolutely gorgeous. And the stitching does not, it barely grazes the edge of the numbers over here on your key. But it's very darkly printed. I like that. Just absolutely love it. Gorgeous. Okay, let's see how big it is. It's supposed to be 60 by 45. Everything is attached today. Oh my goodness. Okay, 60 by 44 and a half or 17 and a half. Actual picture size is 15 inches or 38, a little over 38 centimeters by 53 and a half centimeters or a little over 21 inches. So yeah, this would be a lovely kit for somebody that's never done cross stitch. You know, I mean, it's not complicated. It's got a few little bits of confetti in it, but other than that, you know, you're just going in rivers of color everywhere. Yeah, just wonderful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Gorgeous. Love the colors. Let's put that up there. Let's go on to the next one. Let me get it out of its bag, maybe. This one's a little bit bigger. Put that up there. And of course it's got fringes. We'll get rid of the fringes. It is serged all the way around. I just cut its fringes off. Let's flip it upside down. Now this one has... I'll put a picture of this here. Alright. As you can see, it is this gorgeous peacock. It does have a paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas. And it has a little more of that messy printing, you know, like from something else, but it's not in the actual, well, a little bit, just tiny, but nothing too bad. So it does have product number and how big it is here. It's 147 by 276. And what did I say it had? 40 colors. So we have 310 black, 550 purple, 823. We have 820. No 939. No 3371. And it has 3864. So, and I don't even think that's close to being any kind of white. But this is kind of a skinny and long one. It does have a nice picture though right there. So the pattern itself is not affected by, you know, what I'm talking about. It is right up in here. So it doesn't bother the pattern at all. Other than that, it's very easy to see, nice and big. It's huge, ginormous. So there's going to be a lot of that background. I'm assuming that's where you're going to use that 310 black. Yep. And it does have, let me fold it, and I'll fold it again, some confetti, like near his feathers and stuff. But not too bad. I mean, and a little bit up in here where you get into the detail, and a little bit like on his body. So, yeah, and down. So not too bad. I just thought this was a different, I love the picture that they had on the website. It was just really detailed and all different kinds of textures on that. So it'll be interesting to see how that all comes out or translates to cross stitch. Sorry, I am thirsty today. So let's put that up here. And we have our colors. We have a toolkit with 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and needle threader. And we have the tiger and the poof ball's right in the middle of his eye. There we go. Very nice. Does come with a pattern sheet. How to start, how to finish. Let's take a look at all those bright, vivid, beautiful. Picked a couple of jewel tone pictures. Now this one was $11.99. Does have the product number and how big it is on your thread bag. So it's all separate. Get that out of my way. You have 1, 2, 3 skeins of 310 black. So that's 120 strands of 310 black. And you have one, see there's that 820. It's not as navy dark as 823 is. So yeah, I have a feeling you're gonna need it. Let's just set that aside. Got this stupid needle that I took out of a kid. And oh my goodness, I think I know where it goes. I think. So let's take a look at these colors. Let's give it a big old shake. And like the last one, it does have some bright, vivid colors. Not necessarily here. Here's that 3864. I told you it was like a tan. It's not white. So I'm not seeing... Oh well, I do. Here we go. So there's what they're going to be using for the white. It's kind of a cream color, if you will. I hope that's showing up. Yeah, it's kind of a pale yellowish. That's more pale yellow, but this is paler with a touch of something in it to make it look golden. Does that make sense? We have lots of reds there. Let's flip it around. It's a mob of threads, but look at those bright, beautiful colors. This is 154 right here. This one is 550 purple. Just beautiful, beautiful jewel tones in these pictures. So, and for me, it's a pleasure to stitch with color. Beautiful, vivid colors. I just love it. I could just stitch all day. Gorgeous. And that's another mob of thread. But just gorgeous. Gorgeousness. You can have browns in there. And lilac. Pale lilac. Purples. Reds. Ugh. Gorgeous. Let's take a look at that canvas. So it's going to be kind of another long and skinny one. It's got a lot where that blue color is. That's all 310 black. And all the bright colors are just going to pop right off of it. Printed pattern number, and how big it is, how many squares per square. It's very well printed canvas, very easy to see. It is an 11 count, so it's very nice. Serged. Serging does go in the numbers, but if you're concerned about the numbers, they'll be on your paper pattern and everything should match. But the symbols themselves are very easy to see, and the key itself is nice and dark. So very easy to read. See if we can measure this puppy. It's kind of long and skinny. It takes forever to do all that 310 black, but if you don't, it won't make the picture. You're going to have to. Yeah, I'd start at the bottom, work my way up, because it starts to break up in here. But down here are your big areas that will take you the most time. So just take it one square at a time. You know, it'll get done. So it is 69.5 centimeters that way, and 40 centimeters this way, so it's a half centimeter off of what it said. It is, actual size is 33.5 centimeters, or almost 13.25 inches by 60.5 centimeters, or a little over 24.5 inches. So nice and skinny and long. This is a good one for the winter when you want to just sit there and just stitch and watch TV and you don't want to go out in the snow and the ice and the blowing, and yeah, it'll be a lovely project. Nice thick canvas, but it will crunch down. I'm not going to crunch it quite yet, but very nice indeed. Beautiful, gorgeous. All right, now BiggestCraft has cross stitch. They do not have diamond painting, so they have embroidery, latch hook, beaded cross stitch. They have lots of tools and crafts and all kinds of supplies. And there was something else they did. I'm not sure if they have paint by number or not. They do have free shipping over $49. If they're having a sale, like buy one, get one free, you know, that kind of thing, I will put that in the description box below. But it's usually buy 4, get 1 free. But if they're having like a summer special or something, I'll change that accordingly. But yeah, do check them out. They always have a nice wide selection of anything and everything that you're looking for. Thank you, BiggestCraft, for sending me these 2 beautiful kits that I can't decide which one I want to start first, but that's always a dilemma around here. You know, it is what it is. Thank you for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.